In this demo, we will demonstrate how to utilize the DayOFWeek function in FortiSIEM analytics section to filter and analyze data based on specific days of the week. The DayOFWeek function assigns numerical values to each day, starting from 1 for Monday and ending with 7 for Sunday. In this use case, we will identify users who have accessed the network using RDP protocols on weekends. To identify unauthorized weekend access, log into FortiSIEM and utilize the toString function add reporting IP as the attribute. Select the regular expression operator and set to network range to 10.9 network, which helps to identify who is logging from 10.9 network without knowing specific individual IP address. Set the event type to Windows Terminal since we are focusing on user logins. Lastly, add the DayOFWeek function to the event receive time attribute and set the values to 6 and 7, representing Saturday and Sunday respectively, and click apply. To gain more insights, add relevant fields to the group by and display sections, run the query to identify specific users who logged in over the weekend, and click apply and run the query for last 7 days. This will display the results who is logging on the weekend using RDP. To aggregate weekend logins, group the results by DayOFWeek function along with count of matched events. The query results will display the aggregated number of login events for each weekend day, providing a quantitative overview of weekend activity. To further refine this, we'll add the user field to the group by display field to identify specific users who logged in on weekends, providing valuable insights into potential security threats or unauthorized access. You can create a rule to trigger alerts for this specific behavior and add the corresponding query to a dashboard for ongoing monitoring. I hope this video provides a clear understanding of how to utilize the DayOFWeek function in FortiSIEM analytics section to enhance threat hunting capabilities and detect anomalous behavior. Thanks for watching.